back to my channel. So you're Millie, aka milieme, and this is your first time tuning in, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, period. If you're new here, you're gonna love it here, there's no doubt about that. And if you're a returning subscriber, much love to everyone that's tuning into this video today. That's ratchet, whatever, I don't care. But as you can tell by the title already, we're gonna be doing like a come get a sewin with me, period. And I absolutely love this sewing. It just gives super natural. It's giving microlinks. Like I was tired of the frontals. Child, every morning, tired of the lifting of the frontals. It was just giving fake, like the upkeep of a frontal. Like I was tired of it. I was tired of it.
She's so persuasive, that marijuana. She's so flirtatious. How does it feel to be so persuasive, that marijuana? She's so flirtatious. How does it feel to be? Feel like the feeling of a suppress. Feel like I got no breath. Feel like I need it rest. Feel it's the season I should let go, and that's the reason I'm about more. Feel it's the season I should fly so low. I'm so sedated, and she's so persuasive. This isolation is so sweet you could taste it. But 8 in the morning, moonlight y'all be yawning. It's 3 in the morning, and I'm still performing. does it feel to be so persuasive? That marijuana, she's so flirtatious. Keep it going. How does it feel to be alive? Let me break it down till it feel right. How does it feel? I'm so aligned and so that I'm self can't get a vibe. I wait me too many get a line. I can't control. It's the flow. Yes, I can't tell when it's out and I'm all wondering how does it feel? I beat the boss that paid the price. Get up off my balls, I say the nice. Get up off that wall and change your life. Take you to paradise. She's so persuasive, I never wanna. She's so flirtatious. How does it feel to be so persuasive? That marijuana, she's so flirtatious. How does it feel to be you? How does it feel to be you? How does it feel to be you?
Oh, that's nuts, Millie.
Yeah, my mind. Yeah, my mind.
I ain't got a clue, bro.
I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 for my yearnings. Yeah, my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. Tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Tried to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind, my mind it runs. All these thoughts have troubled me. Starting to give up my pain. Fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out.
But I had to go to an auntie. She did a good job. She did an amazing job. She really ate. Literally, so all I have is braided from here. Like, it's just braided like this. Everything else is out. Like, my whole frontal lobe is my real hair. Like, I wanted to give my hair, like, everything else to the back is braided. So it is a lot of leave out because, girl, I ain't say I cared about heat damage and none of that. I'm not gonna lie. I fake hair, but I'm not scared to cut my hair. So that's the difference with me. Like, my hair gonna grow at the end of the day, period. Extensions do what I gotta do, so. You see what I'm saying? Like, if extensions is doing what it's gotta do, I might as well indulge. For today's video, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for tuning in, especially if you made it this far. Bye.